the Ant Esport MK1200 Mini is still better in 2023? Let's find out. So let's start with the thing that makes this keyboard special, the mechanical red switches. The switches utilized here are YH red switches, which look and feel just like Otemu red switches and sounds exactly like them. If you are unfamiliar with the switches, basically there are three different types. First, there are red switches, which are the silent one. Then there are brown switches, which produces slightly more mechanical sound. And finally there are blue switches, which are more noisy and offers best tactile feedback. So these red ones are really quiet, but it's still very satisfying. It doesn't feel like a membrane keyboard, and it feels really good, especially for gaming. You can type great on it and gaming is fantastic. It just feels great. It gives the most satisfying aspect of the mechanical switches while also making it ideal for gaming. Now the build quality holds up really well, not amazing but good for long run. The plastic used here is really sturdy, durable and have no flex whatsoever. It weighs around 500 grams, which makes this keyboard more stable while typing. Continuing on with the build quality, the keycaps used here are ABS double shot, which are fairly common on budget mechanical keyboards. However, if you want the stronger PVT double shot keycaps, you can purchase them and replace these stock keycaps. Right now, the stabilizers are arguably the most important part of a keyboard. They are less important for gaming because most of us either have speakers or are using headphones, so the sound isn't as important. That being said, I am a casual gamer and a video editor, so I can't ignore the stabilizers. The spacebar, backspace and shift key are pretty rattly. Now, it's not the everything, but the disappointing thing here is that the switches are not hot swappable. So you can't lube the stabilizers or change the switches, unless you solder the switches at your own risk, which I would not recommend. Alright, continuing with that, it does uses a detachable Type-C port for connectivity. Most keyboards, especially gaming keyboards, are not going to use Bluetooth in this price range. Like the Redragon K630, that's just a USB Type-C. So this keeps up with the industry standard. I think most of us are gonna want to use cable for gaming. Anyway, also get yourself a custom coil cable that will be better in long run than these braided cables you get with this keyboard. The other cool thing on the bottom is that we have dual stage risers here, which is a pretty big deal because most of the 60 and even 65% of the keyboards don't have risers on the back at all, let alone dual stage risers. So that's a good thing and it's held up really well. The last big thing for me is the RGB on this keyboard. I like RGB because it's bright, has 4 zones of lighting and support 14 different effects. But the lack of software support and customization is a letdown. But overall, should you buy this in 2023? The Ant Esport MK1200 Mini is a fantastic 60% gaming keyboard, so the answer is absolutely yes. This is totally worth it in 2023. If you want to buy this keyboard, you can do so by clicking on the Amazon link in the description box down below and check out the Ant Esport MK1200 Mini. So thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe to the channel to see more tech reviews. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.